Hello everybody, I am Dr. K.S. Moinuddin, Consultant General Physician, Lotus Hospital, Lakhdikapul. Today we are going to discuss about viral fevers. We are getting a lot of viral fevers. It can be a seasonal flu, or it can be a dengue, or it can be COVID. These are the main three viral fevers what we are now facing. So it's a big challenge to differentiate between all these three viral fevers. So most common thing for causing all these viral fevers is food, water, mosquitoes. These are the three things that are mainly important to cause these viral fevers.
How do you differentiate between different types of viral fever?
Whichever the viral fever is, the presentation will be high grade fevers. So if it is a seasonal flu, for example, the patient will be having high grade fever along with cold, cough. This will be the main predominant symptoms. First the patient will develop cold and cough, then the patient will develop high grade fever. So the fever may last for 1-2 days, and the patient will be having cold cough for 2-3 days. So the things will go down slowly along with when you use antihistamines or pyretics. If it comes to dengue fever will be presenting in 3 phases. Like it will be like febrile phase, critical phase and recovery phase. So in febrile phase the fever will last for around 4 to 5 days. So that will be high grade fevers, along with the patient will be having nausea, vomitings, and the patient will become very weak, and the patient will be having severe body pains, and that's why it is the dengue fever is also called breakbone fever. After febrile phase the patient will go into critical phase, in which the patient will develop thrombocytopenia, that is low platelet count, and leukopenia, that is WBC count will go down. This is very important phase because of this febrile phase will be lot of dehydration will be there, and because of the dehydration the WBC count and this platelet count will be going down, and the patient may land into shock in this phase. So it's a very important, this means we have to check the platelet count regularly in critical phase, and if it is going down, platelet count is going down, and patient urine output, that whether the urine is coming properly or not, we have to check. If it is decreased urine is there, immediately you consult your doctor, you have to get admitted, and you have to take plenty of oral fluids and IV fluids. Next phase is recovery phase. In this recovery phase the patient platelets will improve and WBC will improve, the viremia will go down, and after 3-4 days of this recovery phase the patient may go to the work also. Weakness will also slowly improve. Next thing is COVID. So in this COVID-19, you know, since 2 years we are facing this pandemic. So initially the presentation will be high grade fever. Slowly patient after 4-5 days patient may develop cough, or 6th or 7th day patient may develop loose motions also. So if it is a mild disease, the patient may develop these symptoms, and slowly from 9th 10th day the patient may start recovering, and by 14th day he will become normal. But if it is like moderate to severe disease, from 8th day 9th day patient may develop severe symptoms, and breathlessness may develop, and saturations may go down. So you know, you have to monitor saturations, you have to monitor fever, and you have to monitor the patient vitals regularly in COVID.
How do we prevent viral fever?
So coming to dengue fever, mainly because it's caused by mosquitoes, Aedes aegypti. So you have to advise the child or adults who are going to offices where the mosquitoes are there. So you have to wear long sleeves dresses and cover whole body, and you have to apply mosquito repellents to prevent any bite of the mosquito. In the nights you have to use mosquito nets, and try to avoid this artificial water collections, and try to maintain cleanliness in around the home. So in case of seasonal fevers, if you want to avoid that, please try to take home cooking food, and try to avoid outside food and outside water, and try to take good filter water. Thank you.
Lotus Hospitals is one of the leading brands for all your health needs. You can visit our expert doctors at any of the centers: Lakhdikapul, Kukatpalli, LB Nagar and Vizag. For booking an appointment, you can use our app or visit www.lotushospitals.in or call on 040 4040 4444.